Custom rock engravings. Are you ready to start a lucrative side hustle using a laser engraver? And maybe even being a part of leaving a lasting legacy for generations to come? In this video, I want to show you a side hustle that can bring you hundreds per day. In fact, the only reason I slowed down was I had too much demand and no help to get the messages through. What is this fabled product, you ask? The exciting world of custom rock engraving. When you start your own business, you don't want to have a product that sells for $1 at a time, because to make $100, you have to make 100 products and then sell them 100 times. What we want to do is have a product that is worth $100 at a time. Then every time we make a product, we make the most money with the smallest amount of time. That's efficiency. Because it is custom, it is a secure market. Surely Walmart isn't going to do this. So what kind of products am I talking about specifically? How about address signs, pet memorials, or maybe even just a family name with the year your family was established? These products are something that you can sell on Facebook without any website at all. I've been working day after day after day making these rocks for people, and it's been very successful. So check it out. Try it yourself. Have your settings to burn slow, burn hot, keep your machine clean, and see you next time.